One submission can turn into 10 versions if feedback scatters across email, WhatsApp, or screenshots. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to link feedback directly to files in Hatch so you only ever work on one version. Start by opening your project in Hatch. You can work with drawings, PDFs, or models. Everything stays in one place. Next, add a comment right where it matters. This is where you'd normally drop a note in an email or chat. Instead, keep it on the file. Now link the file directly to your comment. No more sending separate PDFs or screenshots. The feedback is always tied to the right file. Finally, tag a teammate. Now they're notified instantly, and everyone's working from the same version. That's it, one simple habit that keeps submissions clear. From chaos to clarity, try Hatch Free today.